Welcome back. As we discussed in the last episode, that we were taking some trades and we were seeing how gold was reacting. So, we'll do the analysis of what happened exactly. This is what happened yesterday. I was showing you around here, right? Around this pullback. So, it went up, and will keep going up, is what I feel. So, yeah, that is that. Gold played out perfectly. Um, one more amazing trades. Amazing trades. I'm sorry. So we had this happening, this, and then we had an engulfing. So this engulfing was our buy. A staggering 500 points. I did not enter this trade because I was actually already inside, already managing gold. But this would have been a good one. Like, yeah, 700, 800. Yep, 825. Yep, around that. But my targets were these, which the market just broke and went like anything. But yeah, no worries. Uh, we'll have many scenarios where we can operate in, and more trades will come. We have to be disciplined and consistent as well. So I'll show you USD GPY error which we did. I should not have taken that trade actually, because after huge engulfing yesterday, not even in 30 minutes. Okay, in 30 minutes, all the buyers were invited and we had a complete sell-off. I think if we apply SMC here, what do we have? We are not getting any SMC. Yeah, there you go. We entered exactly at this point. We should have waited for this to go up, have a pullback, and then go up. That should have been the view. But no worries. I closed out early. I closed out around here somewhere, taking a loss of 160, 160 or $170. But we are good. Currently, we also entered in GBP USD yesterday, where we entered at this 30-minute engulfing around here, gave a massive up move, pull back, still gave a move that is currently pulling back, uh, waiting on the 3 hour on how this closes. I need what? 30 pips more. That's it. Once I get those 30 pips, I can be out. We are up $400 on this, 400 to $450 on this. So this is a good trade. So this was a counter trend trade which we discussed the other day. This one. So yeah, I think give me 1 second. Okay. So yeah, this was the counter trend trade, and this was the big upside move which we are catching currently We are having a trailing stop loss at exactly this lower low, higher low, higher low. Yeah. So yeah, that is that. BTC patiently waiting, patiently waiting on this to go up. Let's see how things go in London session and in New York session as well. Let's see gold. So gold has given a pullback. Okay. Gold has given a pullback. Uh, it is a good sell side move. So if you want, I can give you a live example as well that how we can trade. So okay, so this can be our targets around here. Now what we'll do is we'll wait for this 5 minute to give a pullback, which will be a little difficult in this scenario. But even if we take it directly, we won't have much area to cover. So we only have like 6 points, and RSL will be no, we won't take it. This is no point in rushing. So good pullback on the 2 hour, good pullback on the 1 hour. Hmm, interesting. Very, very interesting. See, this is how you scalp the 1 minute time frame. SL on the high of this candle around 1 is to 3. Yep. And with this momentum, you usually wait. RSL can get it. That is the risk of scalping, that you tend to overtrade in scalping. But if you are patient enough, the market can and will reward you. And I think this is the training which we are looking for as well. So let's wait for some time. US 30. So we hit an all-time high of 49200. We are still in a very good positive move. The daily has closed above all the previous highs. We can expect a pullback up to here, 150, 160 point pullback. Uh, let's see. In today's NY session, we'll get the feel of what is happening and what is not happening. So this is the 1 minute time frame. We are still waiting, and I think, yeah, the move is good. We already have captured 1 is to 1, and we're looking for 1 is to 3. So when you sit in such trades, na, you get the experience of what happens when you hold. Like hold करने से ही पैसा बनेगा. That is what we are aiming for. So yeah, Let's see. We'll wait and we'll wait very patiently. It is a good 1:3 RR trade with the downside potential. Let's see how things go. So if we were into this by zero point 0.2 lots, and if this hits target, we would easily have 160, around $160. So yeah, let's see. We will wait until then. Uh, GBPUSD is having a very big fall, but we will wait because we are not here for the small wins. We are here for the big win, and I'll update you as we go ahead on what is happening and what is not happening. We are having small pullbacks on the 1 minute time frame. Sometimes trading in pre-London or when Asia session ends usually tends to have low volume, but there are many traders across the world trading gold. So end of the day, if we have the patience for this to hit our goal with the volume which by which it is coming down, we can hit our goal. And I think we can kick our stops to break even now. So now this trade is completely risk free as we already have taken 1 is to 1.3 risk reward. Let's see. GBPUSD is falling hard. And यही process है भाई. uh, just as Mayank says, Mayank as in the trade room Mayank. So we'll wait for some more time and let's see how gold reacts. एनवाई सेशन में बहुत वॉल्यूम आता है भाई, बहुत heavy volume. Like you won't even know what is happening, what is not happening. Heavy volume. So actually, this is a risk-free trade. So even if I lose, I have zero to go. And if it hits TP, again, we win good. And that is the only point which I am looking for. Okay, we are closing below that wick. We are not. And we are. This candle will be good. You're going good. That is nice. So we would be up around. Oh wow! Amazing move. Amazing move. And TP hit, boys. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. Perfect trade. Thank you so much for joining. See you guys tomorrow. And I hope you experienced how a live trade works. See you guys. Thank you for joining in. Keep learning, keep growing.